Alright, imagine standing under a pitch-black sky in the middle of the day, watching the sun disappear behind the moon while the stars come out to play. That's the magic of a total solar eclipse, and in just 2 days, Europe's going to witness its first one in over 25 years. But here's the kicker, this isn't just a cosmic light show. It's a window into the universe's secrets, and a test of human determination. Let me break down why this eclipse is blowing my mind. Okay, first off, the path of totality. Greenland, Iceland, northern Spain, these aren't exactly backyard stargazing spots. And yet, thousands are risking cloudy skies and Arctic weather to chase those few minutes of darkness. Why? Because the payoff is insane. When the moon perfectly blocks the sun, you don't just see the corona, the sun's ghostly atmosphere, you feel it. It's like the universe slaps you awake, reminding you how tiny we are. But here's what fascinates me, the corona isn't just pretty. It's a mystery. Scientists still don't get why it's millions of degrees hotter than the sun's surface. So every eclipse is a free science experiment, if you're lucky enough to be in the right spot. Now, let's talk about Daisy and Anthony, the 2 reporters chasing this eclipse. Daisy's on a ship in Greenland, battling unpredictable weather after getting skunked in 2024. Anthony's in Spain, joining a citizen science project called DEB. And that's what I love about this story, it's not just experts. It's everyday people with telescopes and cameras helping decode solar physics. The DEB initiative, for example, is basically a squad of eclipse-chasing volunteers feeding data to NASA. That's democratized science at its finest. But let me ask you this. How often do we get to participate in cutting-edge research just by looking up? Not many chances to be both spectator and scientist. Weather anxiety, though. Real talk. The Greenland cruise forecast is bleak, and even Spain's low-hanging sunset eclipse comes with visibility risks. But here's the twist, clouds don't always ruin the vibe. I've heard stories of people feeling the temperature drop, animals acting weird, and shadows sharpening even under overcast skies. Nature's still putting on a show, it's just playing hard to get. And honestly, isn't that part of the thrill? The gamble. The idea that you might spend days chasing perfection, only to get a 2-minute glimpse. That's the poetry of eclipses. Oh, and eclipse glasses. Let's get serious for a sec. If you're watching the partial phases, your eyes are in danger. But what cracks me up is the DIY solutions. Pinhole projectors, calendars casting crescent-shaped shadows. It's like MacGyver astronomy. Still, the real debate is this. Why do we need special glasses for the sun when we stare at it all our lives? Because during an eclipse, your pupils open wide to the twilight, letting in hidden intensity. One wrong glance equals fried retinas. So yeah, save the Insta selfie without the glasses. Your future self will thank you. Now, here's the wild speculation. What if the northern lights appear during totality? The article says it's possible, but requires incredible luck. Think about it. Auroras need solar wind, which the corona blasts out. But during an eclipse, you're staring straight at the corona. Maybe, just maybe, the conditions align. If that happens, observers in Greenland or Iceland get the ultimate cosmic doubleheader, eclipse plus auroras. That's like witnessing 2 miracles at once. But realistically, they'd need a clear, dark sky and a sun that decides to throw confetti. Still, dreaming about it is free. And let's zoom out. This eclipse is a reminder that wonder is universal. Millions across Europe, Canada, the US will pause to stare upward, united by curiosity. Even if you're just seeing a partial bite out of the sun, you're part of a global audience sharing the same awe. That's the hidden power of these events. They erase borders, if only for a few minutes. So whether you're a scientist, a tourist, or someone who just Googled Eclipse 2026 last night, you're part of something bigger. And honestly, in 2026, we could all use a little more cosmic perspective.